We're going to see if we can sneak up on our livestock guardian dog. So Tammy's out here now feeding the boys. She's going to go feed the girls. And when she takes Spencer inside to feed him, I'm going to go way back in the woods and hide and come forward and see how long it takes him to realize it's me. Hi, Cinder. Come on, let's go in. Hey, buddy. This is Spencer. He keeps everybody safe. I gotta have him inside. There's no way I can sneak up around with him outside. He will definitely hear me. I tell you, it's so awesome. So we got him. We have never lost an animal. And he is so good with all our animals. I don't know if you can tell. Probably about 200 yards up here is our barn. That's where he's at. So when he's done eating, she's gonna let him out. See if I can. These leaves down here, they're really loud when you walk. Oh, he's out, he's out, he's out. He's right up there. Look, he's right there. He's way up there. You see him? Oh, there he is. Tammy's going up the steps. So he's watching her. See what he does when she goes inside. He heard me. Oh, here he comes. I can't zoom in anymore. He knows it's a maiden. He knows it's a maiden. Good boy. Don't touch that fence. Well, that worked out like I thought. See, he knows the animals aren't out here at night. So he stays back to protect them. He knows they're all in the barn. He can go in there, but they just can't come out. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Did you have a good dinner? Yeah, that's the camera. Did you have a good dinner, bud? Yes, you're a good boy. All right. Old Polly's out here. She's the only one that stays out. The rest of the chickens go in. Y'all better go on up, girls. Go on up, girls. But my recommendation that if you have the space and you have the time, get a livestock guardian dog. They're worth it. I'd never be without one. If you don't want to lose an animal, you get one of them, you won't lose a chicken. Ours goes after hawks, everything. Anything that gets near that pen. But he's gentle, he's a gentle giant. Kids can go in there.